Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Living with Perks, and in this video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing some new electronics. In this video we're going to be reviewing the Nuroum wireless headset. This thing is a open Bluetooth earphone experience. You put it over both ears. You have the mic. It's great for conferences, video calls, and all sorts of things that you would do on a computer or a cell phone device. What we have here is the model AW0W20B. This is by Ningbo Auditory Works. Let's take a look at the box here. It's a open Bluetooth earphone. Here's the first side, long-lasting battery. Heard it last about 12 hours before recharge. Clear sound quality, lightweight design, and it's comfortable to wear. But I'm gonna put this to the test, so let's get this unboxed and try it out. What we have inside is the user manual, a quick start guide, a warranty card, a USB-C charging cable, USB dongle, and the headphones. So it does have a rubberized design, very soft to the touch, flexible. The microphone fully adjustable with the twist there, and the earphones are just going to rest on your ears. Has the buttons on the side here for your volume control. Underneath the flap is the port to charge it through the USB-C, and a power button. Very simplistic design. Let's go ahead and try these on. Now I do love the ear clip style earphones. You just let these rest right on top. And overall they feel very nice. Very lightweight. And they just wrap around the back of your head there. Now I do like that too because I wear hats. I don't like the strap to go above my head because it presses down and it can feel a little bit uncomfortable. With this, it just rests behind your head and easily put on. Now what I'll do is, since this is Bluetooth, I'm using my phone obviously, I'm going to do the classic test of connecting it to a different device and we'll give it a go. Alright, so I got the headphones connected to just a Bluetooth device I have here next to me, just another cell phone. I hear the audio quality loud and clear. Don't have really a way to test the microphone itself, but I will be connecting this to a PC so I can do, my gaming or what have you, and be able to talk with people on Discord or Teams or Zoom or whatever meeting I want to conduct. I'll be able to use these headphones to their full capabilities. And yeah, overall they sound great. They're lightweight and very comfortable. So these things are awesome. Highly recommend them. And as far as audio quality goes, I'm sure they're going to be just as good. So hopefully you guys liked the video. If you do want to pick up a set of these for yourself, I will have them linked in the description below. If you guys like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to Living with Perks, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.